Hi guys, if you are looking for CA Final Advanced Auditing video recorded lectures for May 23 exams and November 23 exams, then this video is for you. Like very recently, I have started face-to-face recorded classes at Guntur, which are completely in English. And if at all you're planning for face-to-face classes, physical classes, if you're residing in Guntur, you can happily attend the face-to-face classes. Whatever past 7 or 8 days, whatever classes that were conducted, we will give you backup class anyhow. Okay, fine. Those who are exclusively looking for online recorded videos, I already have edition 22 recordings, edition 2022 year recordings. I already have complete set. Just some 1 or 2 chapters of pending, which we will be giving this month. So if you want immediately 100% recordings, you can take my edition 22. Suppose you want latest recordings, getting it, which are 2023, and that too, it is actually a face-to-face class. It's actually a face-to-face session, which we are recording every day. And every day we are uploading it in the Google Drive. Whatever the encrypted video is, every day we are uploading. Suppose if you want latest recording, then you can enroll for edition 2023, where already some 10 to 15 hours videos were already uploaded. 15 hours, I think it was already uploaded. Remaining videos also every day, 2.5 hours video will be uploaded, and the batch will complete by March mid. So if at all you want to plan preparation for May 23 with latest recording, you can enroll for latest recording. Getting it? Now, what are all the deliverables from my end with respect to advanced audit? So by the way, we are having two courses. One is full course and another one is we have another thing called smart course. What is the difference between full course and smart course? If you observe, full course means we are totally having 22 chapters, whereas smart course means we are only having 14 chapters. Like, I'll show you more clearly. There are certain chapters which we don't cover for smart course. The following chapters are not covered for smart course. Like what are they? Liabilities of auditor, which occupies some 4 to 5 marks. NBFC audit, which occupies from 5 marks. Audit strategy, which occupies from 3 to 5 marks. Risk assessment, internal control, which occupies 5 to 8. Audit in automated, which occupies again 5 marks. And CA interrelated certain standards. These standards were not given in your CA final book. These were given in CA inter. Even if you look at your CA final second chapter, audit strategy chapter, inside that last page is there. So that page clearly says refer CA inter material for few standards and audit of consolidated financial. All this put together occupy 30 to 35 marks, or in fact maximum 40 marks. They occupy maximum weightage of how much? 40. Which means if you have enrolled for smart course, you can confidently attempt in exams for 75 to 80 marks for sure. And if you attempt the paper perfectly for more than 75 or more than 70 marks, you can score 55 plus easily. In fact, many students who followed this strategy cleared exams with much more ease. This is called two-third preparation strategy. Okay. If at all you don't want to take even that kind of risk, 100% syllabus if you want, then you have the full course option. And the price is 9,500, whereas smart course is 7,500. And if you observe, what are the deliverables that we are giving you? These are the deliverables for full course. 130 hours main lectures, approximately it will come to 130, maybe 120 to 130, I can say. Okay, it will have 6 months validity, 1.5 U, and you will get hard copy material of 3 sets and 1 question bank. You will also get a colored notes hard copy. So after you enroll, you will be getting totally 5 books. And we will also give you complementarily revision videos, approximately 27 hours recorded revision videos, which we did for November. The same is applicable for May 23. And we only give you MCQ videos of approx 13 to 14 hours. Very simple. It's a single stop solution for entire advanced auditing. MCQs we will give you, question bank we will give you, main lectures we will give you, revision videos we will give you. And today 10th January, I'm recording this on 10th January, results were declared, and can say extremely beautiful. Many students of our CA final audit have qualified with exemptions. I even shared so many people, so many statuses on YouTube community tab and even on the Instagram. Getting it? So this is about my 2023 full course. Like we guide you from the beginning in every aspect. Like what is the order in which the classes will be taken. And we divide the entire 22 chapters into two types, like what are the first priority chapters and what are the second priority chapters. In always, primarily I did this video to make you understand, to make you know that we have 2023 edition recordings which were started, and it is available for sale right now, and the price is given. And you will be given classes through Google Drive mode. You will be given classes through Google Drive mode. Just a minute. I'll open the Google Drive mode, how it is looking like. So once you joined for the class, you will be getting a mail. You will be getting a mail. So this is how the mail looks exactly like. So like you'll get lectures. Inside this main lectures, question bank lectures, revision lectures, and MCQ video. And we will give you softwares also, like Windows. What is the software that you need to download for Windows? And if at all you want to activate the classes on Android, what is the device? The video installation video is given, and mobile application is also given. And I will show you one more thing, like which we sent recently to one of the student, the edition 23 classes. um just a minute. So once you joined for the class, you will be sent a Google Drive link, like a mail you will be getting, okay, where we will send you the activation key. And this is how the mail exactly looks like. You have to read, please read the mail in full. You have to read. And here a YouTube instructions video will be attached, and in fact you can find this video in the introduction. Here also you will find the same video, which you have to watch compulsorily, because that contains all the instructions, so that you can comfortably finish the classes with much more productivity, much more efficiency. So you need to read this entire mail full. So we clearly mentioned the edition 23 is completely face-to-face recorded lecture. So here is the activation key, validity, and this is the Google Drive link. If you click here, whatever the drive link I showed, no drive data, so that will appear. And books will be delivered within 5 working days maximum. And we are maintaining one Telegram private channel for edition 23 students. For edition 21 we have a separate channel, 22 we have a separate channel, 23 we are going to have a separate private channel. This is to communicate updates, like every time I'll be adding some new videos, some instructions, some doubts clarification postings I'll be doing. Some students will be asking some new doubt. If at all it appears that the doubt is important for everybody else also, I will be posting that audio clip in the Telegram channel. So that is also important. And so how to activate the classes in desktop mode, installation process also given here as a YouTube video link. So this is a mail which you will be getting once you join for the CA final advanced audit. By the way, suppose you don't want to wait for my face-to-face class recordings, you want complete recording, readily available recording, then my edition 2022 recordings are already available. Now sir, by the way, what material we are going to get? If you ask me what material that you are going to get, I'll show you. Edition 2022 material I'm going to give you. The material which I'm going to give you is edition 2022 material. Sir, is it applicable for May 23, November 23? Yes. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, the ICA Institute itself has not given the latest material. So the same, whatever material applicable for November 22, same material is applicable for May 23, same material is applicable for November 23. Now you will immediately get it out. So what if any amendments comes in RTP? We will give you free video for that. Not only for you, RTP videos and amendments videos we will give free of cost on the YouTube to every student. Getting it? So this is the material. We clearly give what is the ICA order and what is the Shrestha material, like our material order, and what are the chapters. Getting it? Only one chapter we will not be taking, that is schedule 3 videos we will not be explaining, because it is completely covered in FR in depth. So except that, remaining all 21 chapters we will be covering. And I showed you in full course we will take 22, actually 21 chapters. In smart course we will give you 14 chapters. Both the videos are ditto, exactly same. Only thing is the number of chapters that you get is different. Why late? Enroll for CA final advanced auditing with us. You are going to experience a massive difference in your audit approach, especially the 2023, whatever I'm doing now face to face, they are going to be extremely super. Getting it? You can even see the demo videos which I've uploaded. Okay, one or two I've uploaded. Marathon videos you can see. In the past 1.5 year, my marathon video has got the highest views in the entire India. It may be CA final or it may be CA inter. You can just check out. You will experience audit in a completely new, different dimension. You will feel the subject more practical. And if you're looking for face-to-face classes at Guntur, you can attend to my face-to-face classes. Same deliverables, same. You will also get backup class for 60 days. Getting it, 60 days backup classes will be given. From the date of activation, 60 days will be counted. So these are the details about my CA Final Edition 2023. So many students are asking about 23 edition. So somehow today my time permitted and made a video. Have a nice time. Take a wise decision.